Guangdong Huawei Electronic Technology Company, Limited, headquartered in Foshan, China, specializes in R&D, production and sales of therapeutic health devices, smart beauty, tech, luxury gifts and custom product shells. Guided by its philosophy of innovation-driven quality, technology empowering health, it serves global markets with integrated solutions. Core expertise: a 20-member R&D team, led by 4 senior designers, leverages 3D modeling and AI simulation to deliver 20 annual innovations. The company holds 10 patents in smart physiotherapy and massage tech through global partnerships. Advanced production: its 2,000 square meters facility includes 1,500 square meters automated lines equipped with CNC machines and laser engraving systems. The proprietary QDS 3.0 quality system ensures 0.2% defect rates via precision engineering and manual refinement. Global network: operating across 50 countries via Alibaba and B2B B2C platforms, Huawei completes 100 yearly OEM/ODM projects, offering end-to-end development for international brands. Quality and efficiency: Adafide is a China intelligent manufacturing pioneer and Guangdong Tech SME. It provides 24/7 collaborative support with transparent processes from design to trial production. MOQ 50, achieving 30% faster delivery than industry norms. Future focus: expanding its intelligence and health strategy. The company is building an R&D center to advance interconnected health devices and AI-driven diagnostics. Committed to becoming a global health tech leader, Huawei empowers partners through tech integration and resource optimization.
The business manager of Guangdong Huawei Electronic Technology Co. Limited. We are involved in healthcare and beauty device production and personal how rich team in both strict quality control. We've got long-term partnership and both customer central. We will customize solution. Let's start mutually beneficial partnership.